The Spigen Thin Fit case strikes an impressive balance between minimalism and functionality for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Despite the phone's substantial size, this hybrid case manages to keep things remarkably slim while still offering meaningful protection. The polycarbonate back panel provides rigidity where it counts, while the TPU sides make installation a breeze, a thoughtful design choice that proves Spigen knows what they're doing. What really stands out is how the case enhances rather than compromises the phone's handling. The matte finish on the PC back adds just enough grip without turning your pocket inside out, and it does an admirable job keeping fingerprints at bay. I particularly appreciate the raised buttons, though the small gaps around them might be a lint magnet over time. Protection-wise, don't expect OtterBox-level durability here. The air cushion technology in the corners and raised lips around the screen and camera array offer basic protection, but this case is clearly designed for everyday drops rather than serious impacts. It's a trade-off I'm willing to accept for the slim profile. My main gripe is the limited color selection. Just black and dark green for such a premium device feels unnecessarily restrictive. When other manufacturers are offering rainbow ranges of options, Spigen's playing it perhaps too safe here. Despite these minor quibbles, the thin fit case's affordable price point makes it an easy recommendation for anyone who wants to keep their S25 Ultra's sleek profile intact while adding a basic layer of protection. Just don't expect it to survive a fall down a flight of stairs.